People must have respect for themselves. You know, there are things I cannot do. Even for the sake of my children, I will do it. I will look back. I said this yesterday. How am I doing this now? In 2019, when the governor of Zamfara, Matawalle, he said, I will never leave PDP. I will never disappoint PDP. If I disappoint PDP, I will never have peace in my life. Today, what has happened? Everything politics. It's not true. Everything cannot be politics. Yeah, credibility and integrity is important in life. I will never betray my people. I will not betray my people. I will not. People who cannot, instead of you to deliver dividends of democracy, you cannot. You take excuse. Oh, I want to join APC. APC that has failed Nigerians. APC have told Nigerians lies. APC have told Nigerians lies is what some people now cannot. Look at the governors. I didn't want to speak about that. I heard of one governor from South who left. A governor invited Mr. President to flag up a super highway of 350 kilometers. And until now, Mr. President, I have not asked the governor. My brother, that thing where I got flag off since 2015-16, how far? What kind of country is this? What kind of country is this? Anybody who cannot perform, you run. Please protect me, cover me. I'm a member of APC. Meanwhile, that is a party fighting corruption. That's a party fighting inefficiency. And we're all deceived. No, not for me.